Welcome students. In this video we are going to explain about demultiplexer. Demultiplexer, which is a combinational circuit which is just works as the opposite of multiplexer. In multiplexer we have done that among several input lines we can select only one input and direct is in the output, and in demultiplexer it selects one input line and direct it several output lines, okay, depending upon selection lines. One input line directs is several output line depending upon selection lines. That means there are, suppose if we write the block diagram at first, block diagram, as it is just opposite, that means one input line can be directed into 4 output lines. Okay, in multiplexer there were 4 input lines and directed into 1 output line. So there we have written 4 into 1 marks. Here 1 input lines are there. That means there is 1 input line X and suppose 4 input lines are there. That is why we have written here 1 into 4 and we should write here D marks. That means demultiplexer. Okay. So here our choice is like this way. Here also 4 output lines, there must be again 2 selection line S0, S1. Okay, so X input line, D0. Okay, there are 2 selection line, obviously S0, S1. When S0, S1 is 0, 0, X directed into D0. When S0, S1 is 0, 1, X, that means it is 0, 0, X directed in D1. That means when it is a for selection line 0, 1. When S0 and S1 is 1, 0, then X directs into D2. 1, 0. When S0, S1 is 1, 1, X direct into this. That means it is 1, 1. Okay. So that's why it is also known as input selector. Input selector. Multiplexer is known as data selector, and here as the input line directs into different output lines, it is known as input selector. Now let us draw the truth table and the logic gates of multiplexer, a demultiplexer. Here you can see that this is our selection line S0, S1, and this is our output lines. We get our output value is D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay, so if the input line is 0, 0, we get X input. X was our input line, so we get this inputted value in our output line D0. So that's why I have written here the output of D1 value is X and other value is 0. Whatever be the value of X, we get that output in our D0 line. If X S1 is S0 is 0 1, if the selection line, then X input line we get in our D1 value, D1 output line. Okay, others value are 0. If X1 is 1 0, then this input goes in the D2 output. Okay, and if these are 1 1, we get this inputted value in our D3 output line, because there are 4 output lines and we get that input value in that output line according to our selection line. Okay, so now only one value we get at a time. So at first let us output expression of the truth table is truth table. Okay, in multiplexer there was single input line, so we have written the Y expressions using OR operation, but here we get 4 different output lines, so we have to write the expression differently. For D0 equals to our expression is S0 0 S1 0, that means S0 bar S1 bar X. Why X? X is the input line. You must write here that X is the input value. Okay, so what is X? X is the input value. This is D0 expression. For D1, S0 bar S1 1, that means S0 bar S1 X. Okay, for D2 our expression is S0 S1 bar, D2 S0 S1 bar X, and for D3 S0 S1 S0 S1 X. Okay, so we get 4 different expressions in demultiplexer, and in multiplexer we get 1 expression. So now let us draw the logic gates or circuit diagram. Again there are 2 selection lines, so 2 selection line must be S0 S1 okay. Our input is X, obviously. These are our output expression. Okay, so for D0, S0 bar S1 bar X, dot means AND operation, S0 bar X1 bar X, AND operation. This is D0. Okay, for D1 S0 bar S1 X, S0 bar S1 X, D1. Okay, for D2 S0 S1 bar X, so S0 is direct, S1 bar here, X is here, D2. D3 is S0 S1 X, means both are direct value, S0, S1, X. 4 outputs are there, so we don't need to add any OR gate there. We need these 4 separate output lines, and this X is our input lines, these 2 our selection line. Okay, now let us see one example to show that how this diagram, this logic gates will work. Suppose our input is, we want to get the output value in D2. Okay, D2 means S0, S1. Let us see in truth table. D2 for our selection line must be 1, 0. Okay, now let us send here 1, here 0. Okay, so when we send 1 and 0 for the first, this is our first AND gate, second AND gate, third AND gate, fourth AND gate. 1, 0. 1, 0 means first AND gate, it is complemented value, that is here it is 0. In the second case, 0. This is X. So here in the AND gate, one input line is 0, so obviously output is 0. In the second AND gate, S0 complemented, that means 0. S1 directed, 0. X. Here also 1, 0 there, 0. In the third input line, S0 direct, S0 is 1, so here we get 1. S1 complemented, that means S0, S1 is 0, so here we get 0 means complemented of 0, 1, and here X is X. You can see there these are all 2, so output value will be X. If X is 0, we get here 0. If X is 1, we get 1. So X must be there. Whatever be the value of X, we get that output in D1. In the third gate, S1 is direct value, that means 1. S0 is complemented value, that means complemented value not is 1 also direct value, so it is 0 and X. So here also 1, 0 in input lines, output is 0. So you can see easily here that if we select gate gives a selection line 1, 0, then only D2 value we get the input line in our D2 output X value, and others gate will be 0. Like this way, whatever the selection line you take, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, we get the X value in the desired output line. Okay, so these are our circuit diagram, and this is our truth table and expressions of demultiplexer. Okay, it is also known as input selector combinational circuit. Okay.